But I think we should acknowledge these differences. I think we could thrive better as people.
Yeah. Real riveting stuff there, Kirkland brand Charlie Kirk. Thanks for weighing in, Charlie Kirkland. Kirkland Kirk. I mean, goddamn, the body isn't even cold yet. And this guy's trying to fill Charlie's shoes. They haven't even put him in the ground. Trying to fill his Birkenstocks. Bro looks like the high school bully in every 90s movie I've ever seen. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not quite sure typecast dumb jock 1 is the right person to unpack the nuance of systemic racism. It sounds like his last 2 remaining brain cells in his head are arm wrestling to have a single compelling thought. Bro's brain chemistry is a Mentos in a 2 liter of Diet Coke. That's a good joke.